Your roof protects one of the biggest investments you'll ever make, your home. We take it for granted most of the time and only pay attention when we have a problem. But why wait for an emergency due to your roof's age, or bad weather, or any number of other situations? Get your roof inspected before you need a roofing contractor. Finding a roofing contractor you can trust doesn't have to be stressful. If you're watching this video, we want you to call us. We're an experienced local roofing company, and we pride ourselves on being part of our community. We're bonded, insured, and licensed, and we employ a local crew that is highly skilled. One thing's for sure, you usually can't see roof damage from the ground. So you stay safe on the ground and let us do the climbing. Call us today for your roof inspection.